With the onset of the coronavirus epidemic, psychotherapists around the country had to transition to remote provision of services almost overnight. Morally, we wanted to continue to provide care to our patients. We didn't want to abandon people who were increasingly isolated, vulnerable, and distressed. Ethically, we needed to ensure that we had sufficient competence in these new platforms, that we could protect patient confidentiality, and that we could manage any potential crises from afar. Legally, we needed to try to use HIPAA-compliant platforms and to honor interstate licensing restrictions. The legal aspects were particularly onerous. The HIPAA-compliant telehealth platforms were overburdened and technically unreliable, and many established patients were sheltering in place across state lines where their therapists might not be licensed. In the early days, many therapists chose to ignore legal restrictions in order to continue providing moral and ethical care to their patients. Fortunately, the legal systems are catching up, but one thing this crisis has highlighted is that moral, ethical, and legal care are different levels of analysis, and that sometimes compromising one may be necessary to fulfill another.